Hi everybody, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Learn channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the right click button on Windows 11 in the way you prefer to do it. By default it's about 7-10 new menus here. In case it's been got rid of the older too many options of the right click menu, but as you see we have open a new window, turn on BitLocker format for hard drives, and etc. You don't have the refresh button, and you have properties, pin to start. And if you want to go back to the older right click menu, you should click on show more options or shift F10, and here you are. It's the old version of the right click menu, such as Windows 10, Windows 8, and etc. For the people who want to go back to the older menu, right click menu, I'm going to show you how you get rid of this new one, but in case it has copy and rename, and if you do copy then you have the paste option also. But let's do the actions to get rid of this new menu. First you have to run the registry editor or regedit command. You should push the Windows button on the keyboard plus R and write regedit and OK. This is the regedit command, registry editor. Be careful if not you're not so expert in computer and technology. Don't do this process because you may harm your operating system. Okay, here click on the H key, current user, and the software and classes, and in the classes you navigate to find the CLSID, this one. Okay, you open it. Even you can navigate by this part of the window or copy and paste the address here that I will put it down in the introduction of the video as a text. You can copy it from over there and paste it here. By pressing enter, it goes directly to the address that I mean. Okay, here in the CLSID, right click on the empty place, press new key. You need to select the CLSID and here new key, and rename the new opened key as this. I will also put it down in the text below the video. You can select it by over there. Okay, here we have it. Okay, select it, the new one that you have already created, and inside it select again new key like this and name it as below, which I will also write it down in the text below the video. Okay, we have it. As you see in the last subdirectory that we have already created is a default key. You double click on it and let the value as empty and click OK. That's all. You have done your mission. Now you need to close the registry editor and shut down the PC or restart the PC. When it boots back and you right click on any file or folder, you will see the old Windows 10 right click menu as default. And whenever you want to revert your changes, you need to come back here. This is the address. I will write it down for you and delete this one from the registry editor, and after restarting the PC it will go back to the Windows 11 kind of right click menu. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and put some comments, like the video, and introduce the channel to your friends and buddies. Have a nice time. Bye bye for now.